Hi, my name is Mike Faeder. I'm founder of Faeder Creations based out of Denver, Colorado. I'm a custom woodworker that supplies commercial and residential custom woodwork for all of the Denver metropolitan area. Faeder Creations was impacted by COVID in the very beginning. That first month when the kids were home from daycare, there wasn't a whole lot of time to do anything in the shop. As people began to be more comfortable with interacting with other businesses, we have seen an uptick in orders, which is great. We're at about a 2 to 3 week backlog now, and that's good news for everybody. So Faeder Creations has adapted to the COVID crisis in a few different ways. Residentially, we found that there's a lot more people working from home. So we've had a huge uptick in building stand-up desks, people becoming more and more comfortable in their home office. Another example, more commercially speaking, is in restaurants where paper menus or reusable menus are no longer allowed under Colorado law. So we started making laser engraved menus where the QR code can be scanned directly from your phone, and then it uploads straight to the restaurant's website where you can find all the latest menu offerings. Faeder Creations is open for business. We're happy to serve any of your custom woodworking needs, whether it's residential or commercial, so give us a call.